Darling, you send me, I know you send me. Darling, you send me, I know you send me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Zara haul. I did the biggest order. I actually wanted a pair of jeans that I keep seeing, and I saw they were back in stock or like similar, so I ordered them. And I was like, I haven't done a Zara haul in ages, loads of things I wanted, so I was like, do you know what, I'm just gonna go wild. And I did, and you can see my address, but it's fine because I'm moving, so when you watch this I might not even be here. But yeah, anyway, so I've got two big parcels, so I thought what I'm going to do is unbox them all and put them on hangers on the rail. Then I'll try them all on for you guys and like give you my first impressions. It's like a Zara haul, unboxing, autumn trends, a thing. So yeah, anyway, if you haven't already, I would love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I can't really say how many videos I do. I'm doing weekly vlogs again. I'm doing weekly videos, and then there's also going to be other videos in between. Basically, I did do 3 videos a week. It's turning out that way anyway, just because I really like filming, and like I just have like so much fun doing it. So I am doing loads, but I just wanted to say like I can't commit at the moment because I committed too much before and I just pushed myself into the ground. So there'll be a weekly vlog and there'll always be a video on a Sunday. And then there's going to be extras like this, which is probably an extra one, and I'm blabbering. So anyway, so I would love you to subscribe to my channel. I hope that you enjoyed this haul. Let me know like what your favourite pieces are. Also, can we just take a moment for this jumper that I'm wearing? It is amazing. It's from Revolve. I'll link it below. And I got it in like a size large or a medium. I'll write in the description what size I got, but yeah, and I'll link it. But isn't it gorgeous? Like, I just really like this colour. It's like a washed out pink, like a cable on it. Anyway, this isn't about Revolve, so be quiet, jumper, you're taking out the attention. And let's just jump into the video and I'll show you all of my new Zara things. So as this is a legit first impressions, I actually need to open the parcel. I thought I'd do it on screen and then you guys can know that I'm legit. So this is the first pair, and the first pair that are pretty much 99.9% gonna go back. Love them so much, and I got them because I was like, I want to try them, see if I like them, and then I might get the Balenciaga ones. Guess what happened? I accidentally already bought the Balenciaga ones, so I'm not going to need this pair. But I do think they're really cool and like a really good dupe, and I will still try them on and show you guys. But yeah, they are going to go back because I don't need perfect Balenciagas when I just bought the real pair. I actually did a like haul of Balenciaga trainers too. Basically, I ordered like 2 sizes. I didn't know what size I was, and I've heard that they come up really big. And then I also, so I got them, and then I was like, oh no, I swear there's another pair. So they do like dirty styles and clean styles. I didn't know if I want dirty or clean, so I did dirty in 2 sizes and clean in 2 sizes. So I thought what I could do is actually like do a video of like first impressions, talk you through the sizing, talk you through which ones I prefer, show you like the differences. So I am going to do a YouTube video on that too, so hopefully that will be up soon. I think this will go up first, but the delivery is tomorrow, and I'm so impatient that that one probably will go first, so I'll link it here if it is already up. If not, then keep your eyes peeled. So something that I had to get was this pair of boots. They are like so Western vibe. They look majorly designer, like Ganni or something, and I really like the Western snake print. Though I would have preferred them if they were in like a beige, but they ran out of the beige ones, and I thought these are actually really cool. And I'm a size 8, and I don't think that these look huge, but we'll see when they're on. And they look quite skinny on the ankle. I think they'll look really nice with like a little dress and stuff. So yeah, I can't wait to try those on. And I might actually wear them to Fashion Week this weekend if they look good. Okay, so that's one box done and dusted. So let's tuck into the next box. Tuck in. Tuck on in. Guys, I'm absolutely devastated. There's 3 things in this box, and the 2 things I actually did the order for are not here, and I don't know why. So I'm just gonna like look. I've just checked, and this is clearly what happens when you have an overflowing inbox and you don't check your emails, and basically the jeans went out of stock, so they didn't send them to me, and I'm gutted, but at least I wasn't charged for them, I guess, or I haven't like forgotten to put them in. So let's get on with this Zara haul. Fail, like honestly this is the biggest fail. So next I have a jumper. This jumper is absolutely groundbreaking. It's like the most amazing grey jumper. It's so groundbreaking. It's literally the most boring jumper ever. It was $29.99 though, and it looked really soft and like chunky. And although I cleared my wardrobe out the other day and I was like, I do have loads of clothes and jumpers, I was like, don't actually have any nice like just classic grey jumpers, and I feel like it's something I need. So look how many hangers I've got, and I've literally got like 3 things to hang it. So yeah, I thought I want to try that on. Then I literally have the same pair of trousers in 2 different colourways, and that is about it. So I've got these black knitted trousers. They're like knitted culottes, and I was doing an order and I saw them and I thought they look really comfortable, so I want to try them on and see like what I could wear them with. So that's what I'm gonna do. And because this is a short haul, I'll like do proper outfits for you guys, because otherwise it's gonna be so boring. I don't know what's happened, by the way. I keep like clicking and I feel like I like clicking, so don't get annoyed with my clicking. Finally, in my extensive huge Zara haul, we have got these cream culottes. So the same as the other ones, except they've got like a cream edging at the top and the bottom, and they look really like luxurious. I just thought they might look quite nice with like knitwear and stuff. So yeah, I'll style those up for you. So I've got a huge 3 pieces of clothing and 2 shoes to show you guys. So we better get on with it, else I'm going to run out of time. This video is just going to be like an hour long of me trying on all of these clothes. Okay, so let me go try it on. So I've just pulled you down so that you can see like how I've styled it. I've just done really simple, because this is how I'd wear it if I was like wearing it now, this kind of weather. And it's actually really long, so I've just tucked it in like on one corner, and then I put a white t-shirt underneath because I quite like the denim blue and grey, the denim white and grey kind of look. And then I think it looks nice with like lots of gold jewellery, and I like the long sleeves. Like you could definitely roll them up because they're like a nice ribbed, it's like, you know, when it's like different on the sleeve, so you can like roll them up and that looks nice too. But I like it with the long sleeves, if I'm honest. It's really soft, and also if it's not tucked in, you could totally get away. This is longer than my denim skirt. I would definitely wear this as a jumper dress. I think it would look really cute with like ankle boots. So yeah, I'm definitely going to keep this because I think it's a wardrobe staple. I have it for years. Thank you very much, Zara. You've come through. Okay, so you guys have to excuse the background because I'm at moving house. So we've got like Zara haul situation here, and moved my rail and put everything off situation here, stuff I'm getting rid of situation here, dog situation over there. So just like, let's ignore like the mess in the background, let's just pretend that's clear. But I just wanted to show you the dress with these boots, because I don't think I'd wear these boots with, I think they look really cool with bare legs. I don't know if I would wear them with jeans. The only thing is, I feel like look like I'm about to like fall backwards, like whoa, because they're like, yeah, and they're really pointy. Like I don't know what they look like. I do really like them though. I'm so torn. I basically got a dress that I'm thinking of wearing for London Fashion Week, and if that looks good with these, and then I think I'll keep them and wear them to London Fashion Week, and if it doesn't, then I think that I might get rid of them. But I'm really torn because I think I'm going to ask Jack's opinion, and he's probably going to be like, whoa, what are those? He'll be like, what are those? But I don't know, I'm kind of like, they're growing on me. Look, can you see? They are like winkle pickers. So I've got the trousers on. They're white ones. Can I just say, I love this outfit. I think I'm going to keep the trousers. I need to discuss with Jack because he's a quite good person to be like, you're never going to wear that. Or, yeah, they look cool, you'll wear that. So, but I love them. So they fit really nicely. Like, I'm not wearing the best pants for them, I'm not going to lie. but I think I would just recommend a G-string. But yeah, I've just got like this t-shirt on knotted so you can see the waistband, so I really liked it. And then I've just put this blazer on top. I'll link everything from Zara and like all the things I've styled, like this blazer down below, and put sizes. And then I couldn't decide on shoes, so I've done 2 shoes, but I'm going to take you off of the tripod and show you in the mirror. There's a clicking again, so you can like decide which shoes you like better. You have to leave me a comment. Okay, so this is the outfit up close. You can see I've got like necklaces with the gold knitted, like knotted top with the knitted trousers, and then they just come out really nicely. They look so luxurious. Obviously the pants situation is not the best, but yeah, they look so luxurious. And then I really like them with my Balenciaga mules. They look really nice and like smart. So like if you're going for a nice dinner, I think this is like the perfect outfit. But then equally on the right hand side we've got my cowboy boots, like my cowboy shoes should I say, and these look really cool too. Like I think both of them work depending on like what look you're going for. Ooh, falling off a shoe. But yeah, I really like this outfit, and therefore I think I might keep the trousers too. This is going to be expensive because I was honestly just going to keep the trousers that didn't come. So I've got the second pair of trousers on, and as soon as I did those trousers like dressed up, I thought I'd show an outfit inspo with the trousers for like more casual. So I've just tucked this jumper in. It's really long, so I've just tucked it in. And it's a Zara jumper that I'm definitely going to keep at BCW. So yeah, I really liked it with these, and then I've just gone for really casual and I've put the trainers on, so I'm going to show you on the mirror. So as you can see, I've got this jumper on. I've just tucked it in the front, so it kind of like falls down over my bum, but then you can see like that I have got separate legs. And then these are the trousers. So they obviously don't have the same finishing as the white ones, but they are still just as comfortable, and they're really like, if we show you here, like, oh, and then if I show you here, they're like really flattering, like on the waist. And then I've got the trainers on. So I've just kind of gone for like a really casual kind of everyday look with these ones, and I do think I prefer hairstyle the cream ones. I think this would look good with that outfit too. I just think that like I do actually genuinely prefer the cream ones. And then these are the trainers. What do you guys think? I do think they're very reminiscent of the Balenciaga ones, especially like the stacked detail here. They've got all of this like colour patch detail. My legs are really tanned because I've just tanned. So now I'm also regretting trying these on, because if like I mark them, I'm going to have to keep them. But yeah, I'm not sure about them. I don't know if I would wear them. So even if I hadn't ordered the Balenciagas, these would probably put me off ordering the Balenciagas and make me not want to keep these. So we'll see when I get the Balenciagas if I decide to keep them or not. But I am not gonna lie, I'm a designer whore, so I might be like, oh, but I'll wear them because they're Balenciaga, if you know what I mean. Like, I know that's a terrible thing to admit, but it's the truth and I'm honest. So that is everything in my mini Zara haul fail. I think that's what I'm gonna call it, because it genuinely is a fail. Like, it's not just clickbait. It kind of is clickbait, but it's also a fail. But oh, I hope that you guys liked the video. Let me know what you think of all the things. What should you about the cowboy boots? I think I'm gonna keep the top and these trousers, like this jumper and these trousers. I'm gonna send the black ones back, and I'm gonna send the trainers back. But what do I do about the trousers? No, the boots. Oh my god, my brain's everywhere because we're moving in like a week and a half. But anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favourite things are. Let me know if you want to see any videos in particular. And also, when I'm moving to London, I'm really hoping that, like, because I'm closer to people, I might be able to do like some videos with other people and other YouTubers, which would be really fun. I can't really just refer to myself as a YouTuber. Like, I'm not a YouTuber. I guess I am because I'm on here, but you know what I mean, in the grand scheme of things. Anyway, I'm blabbering. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!